Hey everyone, this is my photo shoot for Unit 3. The first one I decided to do was rule of thirds. I tried to concentrate it on the butterfly, uh, but since the background's not blurry or out of focus, I kind of think that it didn't do as well. Not as well as I would like. For the second one, I chose leading lines. And I chose my dad's shop. I chose it because the way the boards kind of guide you towards the door or towards the fence in the background, right here. For the third one, it was fill the frame. And I decided to take a picture of my dog, Reepicheep. And I'm actually really happy with this picture. The main focus was his face, and the majority of it takes up most of the picture, and his body kind of takes over most of the picture as well, versus like the grass. The next one was selective focus. I took a picture of two roses. I wanted the selective or the main focus to be on this rose in the front versus this back rose. And the next one was framing. I'm really happy with this picture, but I kind of wish that this area right here wasn't so blurry. I wanted the main focus to be on the tree, but overall I'm really happy with the picture. And the next one was point of view, which I used a ladder for. I tried to make the point of view kind of look like you were going up the ladder